In this video, we will take a look at where the 3M earplugs litigation stands as of March 2021. Thousands of veterans and current military service members may be entitled to receive financial compensation for hearing loss caused by 3M's defective Combat Arms Earplugs. The Combat Arms Earplugs were manufactured and sold by 3M to all four branches of the U.S. military, and they were standard issue equipment from 2003 to 2015. The earplugs were supposed to protect service members from hearing damage, but in 2018 it was revealed that a design defect in the earplugs made them wholly ineffective for this purpose. 3M is now facing thousands of individual lawsuits by current and former service members who suffered hearing loss or damage from the defective earplugs. The 3M earplugs lawsuits have been consolidated into the largest mass tort MDL in history. After nearly 2 years of discovery and some COVID-related delays, the first round of test cases in the 3M earplug litigation are finally scheduled to start next month. In a mass tort MDL like this, the initial test cases, which are also called bellwether cases, are a huge deal. Here's a quick explanation of how this process works. After an MDL is set up, hundreds or sometimes thousands of individual plaintiff cases get included in the MDL and go through a process of consolidated discovery. After that discovery phase, a small handful of these cases are selected by the MDL and sent back to their home court for a full jury trial. The results of this jury trial and the bellwether cases are very important because they usually dictate how much the defendants will pay to settle the remaining mass of cases. Right now, there are over 200,000 individual plaintiffs in the earplugs MDL. Based on prior mass tort settlements, the value of individual 3M earplug cases could be anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000. Now keep in mind that these value estimates are pure speculation at this point, and the potential value of these cases could change drastically based on various factors. The outcomes of the upcoming bellwether cases will go a long way to determining exactly where we end up on this value range and how quickly we can expect a global settlement. If the bellwether cases all result in big wins for the plaintiffs with multi-million-dollar verdicts, then 3M will probably move very quickly to finalize a global settlement, and the individual case values will be closer to the upper end of the estimated range. This is exactly what we saw last year in the Roundup MDL after a series of billion-dollar verdicts for the plaintiffs. We will be keeping a very close eye on the test trials in the 3M earplug litigation. If things go well, we could see a global settlement by the end of this year. It's not too late to file your own 3M earplug lawsuit and participate in any settlement. Our firm is still accepting cases from former or current service members who wore the 3M Combat Arms earplugs and were subsequently diagnosed with hearing loss or tinnitus.